Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of cleaning gadgets without losing your sanity or your cash. Today, we're diving into a steamy showdown between two contenders, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Shark S7000AMZ Steam & Scrub. On my left, we have the Steam & Go, boasting 10-in-1 features, and on my right, the Shark S7000AMZ, designed to scrub your floors into submission. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Steam & Go is priced at a wallet-friendly $99, making it a great value option. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness and multiple features for this price. Meanwhile, the Shark comes in at a premium $169. Although more expensive, many users find it worth the investment for its scrubbing capabilities. So if you're budget-conscious, Steam & Go is your pick. If you're willing to splurge for extra features, the Shark is your go-to. Now, let's get functional. The Steam & Go is a multitasking miracle, tackling not just floors but also curtains and upholstery. Reviewers rave about its versatility and effectiveness on various surfaces. On the other hand, the Shark focuses solely on floors but has an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. While users love the Shark for its efficiency on hard floors, those looking for an all-in-one solution may prefer the Steam & Go. Speaking of scrubbing, the Shark is like the Michael Phelps of mops with its automatic scrubbing pads. Reviewers mention it's effective for heavy-duty cleaning, especially for pet owners. In contrast, the Steam & Go uses steam and detergent to clean, which some users find gentle yet effective for daily maintenance. So if you want a mop that scrubs aggressively, the Shark is your champion. But if you prefer a gentler approach, the Steam & Go is your friend. Now, let's talk safety and design. The Steam & Go operates at a scorching 356 degrees Fahrenheit and is praised by users for its durability and ease of use. However, some have noted issues with the handle's sturdiness. The Shark, while sleek and easy to maneuver, is better suited for light cleaning, according to some reviewers. Both mops prioritize safety, but the Steam & Go might be a bit more robust in construction. Choose based on your cleaning style and preferences. Overall, the reviews for both products reflect a mix of positive feedback and some concerns. The Steam & Go is often praised for its versatility and effectiveness, making it a favorite for families and those needing a multifunctional tool. However, some users have experienced durability issues. The Shark, on the other hand, is highly regarded for its scrubbing power, especially among pet owners, but there are mentions of it being better suited for light cleaning and leaving a residue at times. So there you have it. The Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is perfect for those seeking versatility at an affordable price, while the Shark S7000AMZ is ideal for anyone wanting powerful scrubbing action. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next product face-off. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean.